Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting topic of moment generating function in one-dimensional variable. If a random variable capital X has the moment generating function mx of t equal to 3 by 3 minus t. So using the generating function, we are going to find mean of x, and second one we find variance of x, and third one we find standard deviation of capital X. What is given? The moment generating function is given, that is but mx of t. What is mx of t value? 3 by 3 minus t. So using this, first I am going to find mean value, right? So how to find mean value? We know formula. E of x equal to what? Mx dash of wherever t substitute 0. Okay, this is formula. So first I will find a mx dash of, okay, find this. We have two different methods here. I will apply u by v formula. Okay, so you consider this is u, this is v. Okay, so we know what is a u by v formula, right? We going to write v square. So we consider v is what? 3 minus, so 3 minus t, so v square. So now we consider v as it is, that is 3 minus t. What is the definition of u? U is what? 0. When you differentiate constant, minus, we consider u as it is, that is 3 into, what is difference of v? When you differentiate 3, you get 0. When you differentiate t, we get 1. Simplify this. 0 into anything 0, so first term 0, minus 3 into minus 1, so we get 3 by 3 minus t whole square. Okay, so this is what? Mx dash of t. Similarly, I am going to find mx double dash of t. Why we are finding mx double dash of t means we have to find e of expected value of x square answer. So that I am going to before itself. Okay, so that is nothing but once again we apply u by v formula. Once again I am telling you what is v dash formula. So v square v into u dash minus into v dash. So once again we write denominator term is what? 3 minus t whole square. Okay, we consider as it is 3 t whole square. Here v square is there, so we get power 4 into differentiation of 0 minus, we consider u as it is, that is 3. How to differentiate this? We consider this square 2x, x value is 3 minus t. After that differentiate this, we get 0 minus. Okay, simplify this. First term becomes 0. Coming to second term, minus 3. Here you get what? 2 3s are 6 minus 2t. Okay, so into minus 1 by denominator what? 3 minus t power 4. So minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, so we get what? 3 into 6 minus by 3 minus t power 4. So this is called what? Mx double dash of t answer. So now find the mean. Okay, so mean equal to what is mx of t? This is where mx of t. Okay, so we get here 3 minus t whole square, right? Substitute t equal to 0. If you substitute t equal to 0, we get numerator value is what? 1d3 by denominator you get what? 3 minus 0 whole square. Okay, what? So that is equal to what? We get 3 by 3 minus 0, na 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 9. So we get what? 1 by 3. So called mu, that is nothing but e of x value. Okay. Similarly, I am going to find a e of x square. Right? So how to find e of x square? Find e of x square. So formula. Value of x square equal to mx double dash of t. Substitute wherever t equal to 0. Okay, what? Here mx of t value is what? 3 into 6. What is 3? 3 6 are, that is 18 minus 3 2s are 6 t by denominator is what? 3 t power 4. Substitute t 0. If you substitute t equal to 0 here, we get what? This term 0, so we get numerator only 8. If we substitute t equal to 0, we get what? 3 power 4. Numerator we get 18. What is 3 power 4? 3 power 4 is nothing but 81. Okay, so we can write this divided by 9. 9 twos are 18, right? 2 nines are 18, 9 nines are 81. So we get what? E of x is x what? 2 by 9. Okay. What is next step? We find a variance of x, right? So we know what is variance of x value. That is variance of x equal to expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square, right? So we know what is expected value of x square, that is, and also we know expected value of x, that is nothing but what? 1 by 3 whole square. Therefore we can, if you simplify this, we get 2 by 9 minus 1. So we get 1 by 9. Denominator is same. We can add a numerator. 2 minus 1 now 1. So this is called what? Variance of x value. So variance of x equal to 1 by 9. Similarly, I am going to find a standard deviation of capital X. How to find standard deviation? It is denoted by sigma. Variance is nothing but it is denoted by sigma square. So I am going to find the standard deviation random variable capital is nothing but square root of what? Variance of x, that is equal to square root of sigma square, right? What is variance of x? That is 1 by, if we take outside we get what? 1 by 3. So this is called what? Standard deviation answer, that is equal to sigma answer. Okay. So I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.